Hi everyone, here we've got a HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Here we have to tap on Advanced and enter Developer Options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, just check our tutorial about how to enable the developer options and go back to this tutorial. So let's enter the developer options, and all you have to do here is simply find the option Automatic System Updates. As you can see, in my case it is turned on. If you will have it turned off, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher next to it, and from now on your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.